Guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best engineering leads with Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first we're going to start with our targeting, and we're going to select small businesses. And today we're going to be looking in Houston, Texas. So we have that dialed in. I'm just going to increase the radius as Houston is such a big city that we want to get these like outer city limits in here. So I feel like for Houston, I'm going to increase it up to 30. I'm going to add it and I'm going to hit next to lock in the location. As per the video title, we are looking for engineers. So I'm just going to engineering. With Coldlytics 2.0, we have this nice little sanity check, so you guys can actually go into the website to see if these are the types of companies that you want for your leads. I'm going to add this to lock it in, and I'm going to add this, and then I'm going to hit next to lock it in. So for key decision makers, we're going to do owners and founders, and we're also going to do directors and executives. Just in case the owners have like a C-suite title, it'll cover for that case. So next to lock it in. And today we actually only have one filter for engineering. This filter is pretty important. As I feel like if you're looking for engineering firms, like you're not really coming from it as the perspective of a digital marketer, but maybe like another engineering firm trying to sell a product. And you kind of just want to know, like, if the company I'm selling to is, is a company that has some security, like financial security. So we want to filter it by revenue here. So for the minimum, I'm gonna go. I want at least a company that makes 500,000 K. And that way, uh, basically you'll be working with companies that are more willing to buy what you're selling, and and more security to that way when you're selling to this company, you know that they'll have financial security to buy whatever you're willing to sell them. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in, and then we're just gonna go to deliver. I'm going to reset my data points here and just go over a couple of them that would be really important for engineers. So all of them are we're going to select all of them because it's just useful information to have. But the main ones that really stand out if you're trying to sell to engineers is you definitely want address to make sure that they're in the Houston area. You want job title and full name so you know who you're addressing. You definitely want phone number. Now this is just a generic company phone number, but if you wanted to do direct dial, it is one extra credit. I'm gonna add, this is more marketing insight stuff. Um, but I'm just gonna add it all anyways. Revenue and headcount definitely very important. Data established as well because again, you really want these companies that have longevity and have financial security, so they're able to buy what you're trying to sell. So all this is more marketing insight, so it can be a little useful, but um, not incredibly useful if you're trying to sell something to an engineering firm. But we're gonna add it anyways because it's no extra charge. And even like a little bit of insight, like you can tell if you're trying to sell them like maybe like a digital engineering related product, um things like all these like Google business profiles and search location and stuff shows that they kind of care about SEO and digital marketing. So there is some benefit in adding these data points, but I'm just going to next to lock that in. Going to finish it off here. We don't need any additional notes. Make sure you set your name. Say I have engineering in Houston. um and one extra thing before you launch it is make sure to save a draft in case you have to go and cancel it for some reason, or you realize you want to come back and add another filter. You're not starting from scratch. But we're good with what we have here, so I'm just going to launch this. And as you can see, we're back in our task overview. Engineering in Houston is allocating, which means that within 24 hours you should get your lead sheet. So yeah, thank you so much guys, and that's how you target the best engineering firms with Coldlytics. Have a great day.